Hey guys, so I mentioned that I would record a training for you for the Zillow acceptance of a client and making sure that if a person is going back to Zillow on a repetitive basis, that you don't lose them as a client. So let me walk you through that process. So first off, what we have to worry about is this. We do not want this to take place. When a person goes to a house, searches for it, they scroll down to the bottom to ask for information, or they click on contact agent. Here's what happens. You get one of these, right? I don't want that to happen. I want it to go in straight to you and nobody else, to include the listing agent. I want it to go in direct to you. How does that happen? Well, we have to put a couple things in action. So number one, you need to log into your account. So you need to have a profile in Zillow. Once you have a profile in Zillow, you're going to scroll over to the right and you're going to go to your profile, click this little button. It brings up this pretty page with all your contact information. You can edit to your heart's content. But what we're looking for today is this share profile feature, okay? Now, I want you to record a video. You can use the program that I'm using right now, which is called Loom, L-O-O-M, or you can do it through a screen record or whatever feels good to you, use that method, okay? Once I click on share my profile, okay, I can share it through email, I can Facebook it, Twitter it, put it on Google+, whatever I feel necessary. You can also just simply go to Zillow.com and type in your profile, or go to your profile from that point by going up to Agent Finder and typing in your name, okay? And when I go up to my name, I can pull my profile from right here. So I can just copy and paste that too, if you want to send it, text it, whatever that might be. Now, once you are in that profile, this page opens up. So this is what my version looks like. This is what the client's version will look like. Now here is where it is very important. What you want to record a video of is for them as a person out there in the marketplace to go down, just down below this edit, contact us. You need to go to where it says your Zillow agent. You can connect this agent and request tours directly from listings. Now, I've already set them up as my agent, so I could remove them as my agent, but this would say instead, it would say this, renew as Zillow agent, or in this case, it would say add as Zillow agent. I'll show it to you in a platform where you can actually go to it directly and see what that looks like. So if you go to Agent Finder, this is an incognito tab, so nothing's actually been assigned. If I type in my name, which would just bring me to my profile, see right here it says add as your agent. You click that, and what happens is if you're logged into the Zillow account, it gets permanently attached, or if you're not logged into a Zillow account, you get what's called a tag or a AdWorks code or whatever they're using as their background to a pixel, if you will. That's attaching to you. And until you clear your cache, it's going to continue to maintain that. Now, once you're defined as their agent, now what happens is a couple things. So first off, you go back to your profile, okay? So once that happens, this happens to them, okay? It's going to say your Zillow agent. So every listing that I pull up will now have my contact information, or if I press contact, it's always going to go to them. But the other real benefit is if you go to your inbox under Zillow, so you go to your inbox right here, it's going to add this person as a contact, right? So it automatically grabbed my information and adds me a contact. It says, I just added you as my agent on Zillow profile. That proves that now this person, I can see all the activity that they do. So if I click on View Contact and I click on Appointments, Properties, Loop History, I can see that they've looked at 44 homes in the last 7 days. I can see their history. I can see their appointments if I've set any. I can see which properties they've looked at, right? This is very valuable information. Now, that is if you have a client that's not already in Zillow. But what if you have a client that's in Zillow? Well, it makes it a little easier if they're already in Zillow. So I would go to another client, this one for instance, and I press View Contact. When I do that, if you'll notice on the right-hand side, it says Become this person's agent on Zillow. Get started. When I do that, it's going to send an email saying, hey, are you actively working with this agent to shop for or sell a home? I say yes, and they say good. I can send that email automatically, and now that email goes into their inbox, and all you say is, hey, I just sent you an email that says that you're going to be my friend on Zillow. Fill it out, sign it, and get it back to me, and it's good to go. This will lock them down. And once that happens, then you can start to see things like history. For instance, I don't have all that information now of what information they've done other than this one property. Once this is opened up, this whole section opens up, giving me access and ability to serve this client in the best format possible. But the biggest value add is this. From now on, when they go to Zillow and look at a property, it's going to bring this up. Okay, no, maybe. It's going to bring up a property, and instead of allowing any other agents to take that lead, the only person that's accessible is me. So if they click on contact agent, it's going to go to me. If they don't go to click on agent, when they scroll down to the bottom, the only agent that they see is me. Great information, guys. Use this, make it worth your while, and have a fantastic day.